What is going on, guys? Today is going to be a little bit of a different video, but today I want to kind of do a ride around with you all, and I want to go over the differences between the off-the-shelf map that comes with your Cobb access port and a custom Panda tune from Panda Motorworks. So guys, let's get right into it. Alright guys, first and foremost, you have to buy a Cobb access port to get any kind of eTune or anything like that. So before I even get into it, yes, the Cobb access port is absolutely necessary. Now, I'm driving a 2018 Ford Focus ST, and when I first got the Cobb access port, I flashed the Stage 1 93 octane tune. And after the initial flash, I took it out for a test drive. And I immediately noticed the throttle response was a little better. The second to third gear felt a little bit stronger. And I definitely could feel a torque increase. Was it the difference I was hoping it would be? No, but you can't really expect a lot from like an off-the-shelf map, because everyone's car is different and everyone's driving patterns are different. So to get an actual tune, you need to either go to a dyno or get an email tune. So with that being said, there wasn't really a lot of like things I disliked about the Cobb tune. It just wasn't the difference I was really looking for. And this is a long-term build for me, so I'm trying to get tuned even when I'm stock, because I want to see how much power I can crank out of this thing just at, a stock level. The only, sorry if I'm rambling a little bit, but the only modifications done to this car at the moment is a Turbo Smart blow-off valve and a K&N air filter, drop in. That's all I've got done so far. And like I said, a lot of you may be thinking, what are you trying to tune, your stock car for? I just want to do it in levels. Like today, for instance, I'm putting on my downpipe. I'm shooting this video before I do that. So I'm putting my Cobb downpipe on today in my rear motor mount, and I'll get retuned for the downpipe. I just want to, do it in levels of progression, and just to, see how the car grows over time. But anyways, so yeah, I'm just trying to squeeze as much power out of the stock car as I possibly can before I start doing bolt-ons and such. Well, anyways, so I reached out to Panda Motorworks. And guys, I will link the tune I got down in the description box below, pandamotorworks.com. They were excellent. Communication was very good. They emailed back and forth very fast. And guys, I got my whole tune done with them in about 4 to 5 days. And it probably would have been quicker, but there's a couple nights it was raining real heavy, and I didn't really want to go out and do wide open pulls in the, when it was coming a flood outside. But anyways, so what the Panda tune does way better than the Cobb off-the-shelf tune. The throttle response and the throttle mapping, like as soon as you hit this throttle, like it's boom, like it's there. It's so responsive. And I've seen a couple videos where people say they didn't like how touchy it was, but it's like, I love it. I think it's wonderful, and it really snaps. The torque increase on the Panda tune is crazy, especially fourth gear. And I don't know why it's so strong in fourth gear, but I'll be cruising down the road and I'll just mash it in fourth gear, and my torque steer's like, oh, let's tug you in the other lane for no reason. So huge power increase in fourth gear for sure. But second, third, and fourth gear, crazy difference. This car pulls so hard now. I took my dude Corey 270 photos for a ride in this car the other day after I got the Panda tune, and he couldn't believe how fast this thing went through the gears. Like, it's truly night and day difference. And also on the Panda tune, they turned the sound composer off, which I wasn't sure of at first, but I actually like it better without it, especially now that I'm going bolt-ons. I don't want to hear that valve fluttering sound from my intake in. I want to hear my other bolt-ons that I've put on, like my blow-off valve, my downpipe starting tonight. If y'all want your sound composer left on, you can do so. Just tell your tuner and he'll turn it back on for you. But just the first tune he sends you, he shuts the sound composer off, and he shuts this annoying shift light off that tries to tell you when to shift, I guess for fuel economy. But I really like that because I hated how that thing was, the green arrow was always popping up in the dash, and it's enough in your vision to where it kind of gets on your nerves. But, and another good thing I really like about the Panda tune is it seems like the octane learn ratio always stays at -1, like there's never an issue. So guys, like I said, this video was kind of me rambling a little bit, took you for a little ride along, but I just wanted to do a versus video and just explain to you that an eTune truly is going to help you out a whole lot more than an off-the-shelf map that you get with your access port. I've even read that people don't even recommend you run the off-the-shelf maps. Now, I know a lot of people have run them, and I run mine for about a month, and I had no issues. But, you know, an off-the-shelf map is supposed to just be short-term till you can get your dyno or your eTune. But anyways, guys, that's where I'm going to end today's video. Thank you all so much for watching. I just want to do a short little video and do kind of a Cobb versus Panda. But anyways, I'm starting to repeat myself, and I just want to get this video out here. And guys, if you all are worried about getting an eTune and you feel like you don't know how, I'm gonna link in the card right here. Guys, I do a full 30-minute video step by step showing you exactly how to get an eTune. Guys, it's super simple. If you got a Cobb access port, go to pandamotorworks.com, buy their custom tune for your whatever car you're driving. They'll email it to you. Guys, go watch my video. It's step by step. It makes it so easy. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, guys. Make sure you visit www.pandamotorworks.com. And guys, make sure you're following us on all our social medias. I'll link all that in the description box below. Until next time.